This is POCO C50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can find and see how much internal storage you have on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings. Then right over here, the very first category that you will stumble upon is about phone. That's exactly what you will need to go for next. Well, not the system apps updater, about phone. In here, tap at the storage, and at the following page, you can clearly see how much storage you have occupied, how many gigabytes you have of storage you have in total, and how much of it is currently free. On top of that, you can also check the, somewhat detailed statistics on what exactly is that occupies your storage. In my case, that's 2.5 gigabytes of apps and data, for example, and almost 5 gigabytes of system, or actually 2 systems, I guess. Okay, whatever. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.